Welcome to Renovation Insider, a better way to start your home improvement. At Renovation Insider, we've developed 3 paths to help you step through your home renovation journey. They are refresh, renew and do. Did you realise there's almost 10 million homes in Australia?
Something you might not be aware of is our current building codes of Australia actually work on a 50-year durability for a home. So that means if we want to get it to last longer, we're going to have to give it some care.
Like all of our paths in Renovation Insider, it starts with getting good information to be informed for your journey. This is why we developed the home audit process.
The first path is refresh. I think most people get the feeling that once they've had a new home or a major reworking to their existing home, that they won't have to touch it for the next 10 to 15 years. Unfortunately, that isn't the case.
A refresh occurs primarily because as all houses age, they'll need some level of maintenance through their life.
I think we'd all understand the harsh Australian environment is going to take its fair toll on our houses, so it's important we look after them.
Refresh covers all those maintenance things that we know we should do, and perhaps even swapping out some elements like kitchens and bathrooms.
While being maintained, it might give you an opportunity to have a bit of a refresh.
If you have too much of that terracotta, we understand your pain.
Generally, our refresh path doesn't involve structural changes.
We find that people might start their refresh journey with non-structural items, perhaps including kitchens and bathrooms, also looking at floor coverings, paint finishes, fixtures and furnishings. As we're all aware, a lot can change in just 5 to 10 years. Fast fashion certainly is a problem for your clothing, but it's far more expensive in your home.
Now's the time to get professional advice to make sure that your refresh is not just keeping up with current fads, but is also keeping track with your current life.
We also understand that scale makes a lot of difference, so we can match the trades and suppliers to your specific project.
As we've said before, one of the other advantages of Renovation Insider is getting access to the deals and offers that you might not be aware of. As industry insiders, we can give you access to the best opportunities to maximise your value. Some of these include commercial grade products that are part of that large project that you can actually get access to.